Don't waste your money in the stock market. Investing your money can be a very enticing idea. After all, who wouldn't want to make more money? It sounds so simple, but the reality is that you have to know what you are doing, and even then, it isn't a guarantee. You can increase your chances for success by taking the time to do research and by investing wisely. This video can get you started on the road to investing wisely. Know the risks of different types of investments. Stocks are generally riskier than bonds. For instance, riskier investments, generally, have higher payoff potentials, while less risky vehicles tend to provide lower, more consistent returns. Understanding the differences between different vehicles can allow you to make the best decisions about what to do with your money, in both the short and long terms. If you want to assemble a good portfolio that will provide reliable, long-term yields, choose the strongest performing companies from several different industries. While every year the entire market grows at an average rate, not every industry or stock is going to increase in value each year. By having a wide arrangement of stocks in all sectors, you will see more growth in your portfolio, overall. Rebalancing your portfolio regularly will cut down on your risks from losing stocks and sectors while aligning yourself to capitalize on future growth. Aim for investing in stocks from companies that are financially sound and have earning growth that are above the market average. There are over 6,000 publicly traded companies in the United States stock markets, available to choose from. However, applying these criteria reduces your target pool of stocks to just around 200 choices to invest in. As shown above, investing is such a very enticing idea for making your fortune. Everyone would like to make more money. But don't get caught up in the get-rich-quick promises. Take the time to learn about investments and how to wisely invest your hard-earned money. The information in this video can help you to get started on investing wisely. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.